Hello, my name is Abu Chamula. I am a student at class 7 at Friendship Secondary School, Jahazaralga. Bangladesh is a land of river, and this river brings both blessing and disaster. Every year, flood affect thousands of families, especially those living in the Chor area.
Hi, my name is Urmi Akhtar. I am a student of class 7 at Friendship Secondary School, Jahazarga. Hi, today we will take you on a journey to understand how flood affect life in the Chor areas, the struggle of the people and how they fight back.
Hi, I am Sadiqul Islam. I am a student of class 7 at Friendship Secondary School, Jahazaralga. Flood is an of the major natural disaster in Bangladesh. Flood is an of the overflow of river and land. But why do flood happen? Let's hear from our facilitator about reason of flood. May I come in, sir?
Yes, coming.
Today we are preparing video on floods in Chor areas. Could you please tell us about reason of flood?
Yes, very good initiative. Flood happen due to several reasons such as heavy rainfall, river overflow, and sometimes by dam water. Realizes from upstream the Chor areas being low-lying and surrounded by rivers are too high risks.
Hi, my name is Sadiqa Akhtar. I am a student of class 7 at Friendship Secondary School, Jahazaralga. During the monsoon season, these areas go under water multiple times. Major flood occur in Bangladesh during the March to September. Hi, I am Mafia. Floods destroy homes, schools, and farmland. Many people lose their crops and animals. It also uproots trees and disrupts essential service. Hi, my name is Zaba Akhtar. Children often miss school because road and school get flooded. Sometimes families have to leave their home and move to shelter or safe place. This is like diarrhea, dengue, and skin infection spread after floods due to dirty water and lack of facilities.
Hi, I am Ronnie. Let's listen to my neighborhood who has faced the hardship of flood. চাচা আমাদের এলাকায় প্রায় তো বন্যা হয়, এর ফলে কি কি ক্ষয়ক্ষতি হয়?
প্রথমে আমাদের জমিনের ক্ষতি হয়, নদী ভাঙ্গনের কারণে আবাদি জমিনের চাষবাসের ক্ষতি হয়। দ্বিতীয়ত আমাদের নদী ভাঙ্গার কারণে বাড়ি ঘর ভাঙে, পাশাপাশি ফসলের জমিনের আবাদি শস্যের ক্ষতি হয়। গৃহপালিত পশু যেমন গরু, হাঁস, মুরগি, ছাগল, ভেড়া এগুলার শুকনা ঘাসের অভাব হয়, মারা যায়। স্কুলে যাওয়া আসার অসুবিধা হয় বন্যার কারণে ছেলে মেয়েদের।
Hi, I am Muriam Khatun. Despite this challenge, the people of Chor areas have found ways to survive and adapt. Some moved to higher ground to build temporary homes and try to restart their lives. Some also houses are built on high water level.
Hi, my name is Fulmati Khatun. I am a student of class 7 at Friendship Secondary School, Jahazaralga. Flood is a big challenge, but we can take action to reduce their impact, like build embankment to protect Chor areas from rising water, planting trees to make river banks strong. Hi, my name is Saibin Rahman. Construct house on high plain and raising awareness about preparedness and safety. You know, as a student, we can also help by spread association in community. Plant trees to protect the environment, help in relief efforts, and learn about flood safety and share with others. In Bangladesh, we have flood preparedness program FPP volunteers. They play active role during SARS as disseminate early warning, conduct SARS resource evacuation and sheltering.
Provide first aid support, distribute emergency relief, and provide rehabilitation service.
As a part of preparation, we need to keep few material with us during flood such as torchlight, extra battery, first aid kit and essential medicine, important paper and emergency food and water, candle and matches, water purifier powder and cat.
Everyone need to follow few measures during flood, such as take place in the safe shelters.
turn off all the electricity line.
Keep update news.
Keep all the record materials.
If we all work together, we can make life safer for the people in our areas. Floods many bring challenge, but the people of our area are strong and resilient. With the rich support and airlines, we can build better future. Let's all work together.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.